the trees, the flowers, the animals and even the air we breathe. It's like a magical treasure chest filled with wonders waiting for us to discover. One of the most amazing things about nature is how everything is connected. Birds build nests in trees and plants give us oxygen to breathe. It's like a giant puzzle where each piece fits perfectly together. But sometimes we forget just how important nature is. We caught up in our busy lives and forgot to take care of our environment. That's why it's essential for us to be good towards the earth, to protect and preserve it for future generations. So what can we do to help? We can start by taking small steps, like picking up trash when we see it or planting more and more trees. Remember, nature is our world that deserves our respect and care. So let's do a part to protect the wonders of nature around us. Thank you.